certainly listen. You can make my life easy. Basically, I would just come out in any city, read what he said that day, or go on my merry way. It's amazing. What kind of a fucking stupid question is that? Like somehow, because George Bush left office, stupidity fled the country. When it comes to idiots, our country's like whack-a-mole. You get rid of one and three more will pop up. They're asking me this question, and meanwhile, the new president picked the Secretary of the Treasury who didn't do his taxes. What am I going to do? I do think the two important lessons that can be learned from his presidency. First, if you find yourself in a voting booth and you're looking at two names and you're thinking to yourself, gee, I'd really like to hang out with this guy. Boy, would he be fun to drink with. You vote for the other person. If you're going to vote for somebody because you think they're going to be fun to drink with, you be fucking sure they're still drinking. Now, secondly, I believe, and I know this is simplistic, that the reason, one of the main reasons that George Bush became the president is because President Clinton got a blowjob. And this upset a lot of people who didn't get one. And so, the Christian right was motivated. Find a candidate who they felt was religious, spiritual, and had a great faith in God. If you're going to vote for somebody because you think they have a great faith in God, you be really sure that God has faith in them. It's a two-way street.
Sirius XM's Comedy Central Radio.
See, because for me, life is about moments, man. Like this moment. I'm trying to make it a great moment. That's what we're all about. I'm going to create a moment tomorrow. You tell me if this is going to be a fun moment, right? I'm going to drive down to Tijuana, Mexico. And right when you cross the border, it's actually not a fence. A lot of structural stuff. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk on the Mexican side of the border till it becomes a fence. Then I'm going to climb the fence and straddle it. I'm going to be half and half, pretending to jump over just to get the attention of Border Patrol. And when that Border Patrol car, which is a Ford Explorer white SUV with a green stripe on the side, look at all the mojados he knows. And when that car is right there, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to hop over and land on American soil. And I just want to see the look on his face when he goes, hey, this is the United States of America. It is a sovereign nation. Shh. I am discovering this land.